Today we talk about how can you disable save display mode on your AnkiDroid app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you keep going down here, you click here on advanced. When you just click here on advanced, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Come here to save display mode. Just click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color it's gone. That's mean here save display mode disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.